Welcome to the 7th video of PySpark series, where we are going to solve top 50 questions of lead code using PySpark. The question that we have picked today is named as Product Sales Analysis 1. In this question, you can see we have two tables. The one is named as sales and the other one is named as product. And we have to write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Okay, so let's understand the question first and then we'll start solving the problem using PySpark. So in this question you can see we have two tables and the column of the first table sales is named as sale ID, product ID, year, quantity and price, and the second table is named as product and the columns are product ID and product name, and we have to write a solution to report the product name, year and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to take the product name, take the year, take the price from these two tables and we have to show in the other table. Okay, and it can be in the any order. It is not dependent on the order and anything, so we can just show it directly in any order. Okay, so first of all what we'll have to do is we'll have to join these two tables. So how we are going to join these two tables? So if you can see over here we have product ID over here and this is the foreign key. Over here you can see product ID is the foreign key. It means the product ID from sales table will be similar to the product ID from the product table. Okay, so using this column we can club or join these two tables, sales and product, and we can try to find out all the results that are required. So over here we have also loaded an example, you can see over here, and the example is like we have sales table like the input, we have product table as an input, and we have an output as product name, year and price. Okay, so what we have done over here is we have joined these two tables using the product ID and we have populated three columns, product name, year and price, based on the product ID. So I have already loaded the data, you can see over here, using spark.read.csv, and the file name that we have over here is 7sales.csv and 7product.csv, and the data you can see over here is the similar to the example that we have seen. Okay, once the data is loaded we can verify it using the show method that we have in PySpark, and to verify it what we are going to do is we can just write salesdf.show and productdf.show and we can just run it. So over here you can see we got the two tables as expected, and we have to take out product name, price and year from these two tables. So what we are going to do is we are just going to join these two tables using the join method that we have in PySpark, and this join method takes three parameters. The first is the other table, that is product df. The second parameter is like on which column you are going to join, and the third parameter is how you are going to join. How means inner join, outer join, left join, right join. These three parameters we are going to pass. Okay, so let's verify whether all these parameters that we have passed is correct and working fine with join method or not. Okay, so over here you can see we got all the details using join method, like it combines these two tables, the sales table and the product table, and it has given all the columns that were there in these two tables. Okay, but what we have to do is we have to take out only three columns from this table and we have to show it to get the expected result. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use the select method of the PySpark to select only the required column from this table. Okay, so we can just, so yeah, you can see over here we got three columns as expected, product name, year and price, and it is showing all the required row that was there in the example. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.